Welcome to the dawn of a new era in health and vitality. Picture a world where the very essence of your cells, the mitochondria, can be rejuvenated to function like they did in your younger years. That's the promise of the revolutionary XDS technology, a brainchild of Dr. Bevan Elliott of Myto.com. This technology is the driving force behind Myto Restore 3.0, a product that's transforming lives worldwide. The science of XDS, or exponential delivery system, is as enticing as it is effective. It's a cleverly constructed formulation of over 44 nutraceutical components. Each component is designed at a molecular level, arranged meticulously to unlock the genetic code that triggers your mitochondria. These powerhouses within your cells then generate and replicate more abundantly, mirroring their youthful state. The result? A surge in cellular energy. This allows your body to perform at its optimal level, just like in your prime. It's like rolling back the years, but with the wisdom and grace that comes with age. Myto Restore 3.0, powered by XDS technology, is not just a product. It's a commitment to better health, a promise of increased vitality, and a path to a vibrant life. Countless individuals have experienced transformative benefits, finding relief from chronic health and wellness issues. But don't take our word for it. Experience the power of Myto. Restore 3.0 for yourself. Head over to moremyto.com/JD65. Dive into the wealth of information. Learn more about the science behind the XDS technology and make an informed choice for your health. So what are you waiting for? The future of health and vitality is here, and it's powered by XDS technology. Embrace the revolution, unlock your body's potential, and step into a life of enhanced well-being with Myto Restore 3.0. Make your move towards a healthier, more vibrant you today.